Hi everyone, it's Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of the Deluxe Studio here in the Copper Creek Villas section of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. So as we first come into this room, we will see ample closet storage here along with our iron and ironing board and our safe. Right next door we have an equipped kitchenette, plenty of storage space, as well as silverware, can opener, mini refrigerator here, microwave, toaster up here in this cabinet, and then cups and plates. Right across from our kitchenette, as we come into the bathroom, we can see we have a nice, well-lit mirror and vanity area with plenty of storage. Separated from our water closet by a sliding pocket door. We have a nice shower in here. Take a look at that. Beautiful tile work in there. This is another pocket door right here. And as we come out into the heart of the room, we can see our little seating space, queen size bed with plenty of storage to store bags underneath. We have Hey Disney capabilities here. Nice storage space here. And this sofa area is another pull down queen size bed. So this room will sleep up to 4 people. This particular room has the option to adjoin with the room next door. It has a balcony. Lovely view of the pool and Bay Lake out this direction. And here's another view of this beautiful deluxe studio in the Copper Creek Villas section of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. This is a deluxe resort in the Magic Kingdom area. If you're interested in more information or booking this for your family, reach out to me on my blog at gingermmt.com. Thanks for watching.